It's a weekly update for Mr. Fix's science class for the week of February 17th. All right, so this week is all about the chemical reactions assessment. We finished up the unit by doing chemical reactions lesson 3.4, what's inside Westfield's water. And so we used a modeling tool to demonstrate what was produced in that chemical reaction between the iron in the pipes and the fertilizer in the water. Basically, it was making iron oxide and sodium nitrite. So we used a modeling tool to draw all of the atoms in the reactants, how they rearrange to form all the atoms in the product. We then did an activity which you saw in the intro video of a blue bromoethanol blue solution mixing in with clear acid solution, and they undergo chemical reaction, they change color, and during the chemical reaction masses change. That's because all the atoms that are there at the beginning rearrange to form all the products at the end. And then we had chemistry valentines. I showed you that at the beginning of the video as well. And then we had a bunch of review, and these review items were also available in Schoology. So if we go to Schoology, in Schoology, these study aids, there's 3 of them up at the top: Quizizz Chemical Reactions Unit Review, Quizizz Chemical Reactions Key Terms and Key Concepts, and Chemical Reactions Review Test Prep. I highly encourage students to do that, and if they have any questions, they should ask during class or after class or before class or via email. And then we did a bunch of review activities Wednesday and Thursday, and again, students were encouraged to ask questions if they had any misconceptions. All right, so that's what we did this week. Hope you have a good weekend. Bye-bye.